Showing his wheels on his front and on his back, where he says he's been whipped, saved by the guards. He's looking at his name. They're saying that they're being threatened, even as he's talking to us now. They're receiving threats from the guards, none of whom speak English.
None of the governors would accept any bad treatment against any detainee. Torture and beatings are just not acceptable. And all these claims that you have made will be looked into seriously and investigated to stop
There are children among those locked up. 2-year-old Matthew's mother died crossing the Sahara to get to Libya. His father is desperate, so desperate he wants to give his only son to me. Explains the father just wants someone, anyone, to help his child and take him away from this prison. I understand that I can't take his children. I can't take his child. You have to explain to him. I don't want